Good morning, everybody.
Hello.
Just wanted to do a quick thank you to all our new subscribers. This is so awesome. It's December 9th, 2023, and we're at $4.99. We're going to hit the 500 mark today. Woo! Good job. Thanks so much, guys. This is amazing. I couldn't believe it when I woke up this morning. Anyways, so enough of that. We're going to put up a bunch of solar Christmas lights because, as you know, we are off-grid here. We've already put up a few things. You'll see that later. What else are we doing today?
Probably going back for a walk.
Always a walk.
We are more than likely going to mill some wood.
Yeah, and get at that, finish that bridge because I started that bridge last week. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks so much again. 500. Wow, I never even thought we'd be here, to be honest. This is cool. Thank you. So there is something on our camera. We put a camera here, but only one video. So we're going to see when we get back to the camp. We just got to the lake and there is a ton of tracks and some of them are animals, but we also see skis and footprints. Like people were walking over here.
Take too long to decide. It's gonna look like a Christmas tree now. Now you just feel like this. With some garland and we can sing around it or presents around it.
It's our wee baby Christmas tree.
Cool. I wonder if you can see this from the cottage. Conductor. That's where it's at right now. On the water does not freeze.
What do we got to do with this thing? We got to do an oil change?
Yeah, we're going to do a full service on it.
Okay.
I'm going to do the fuel filter, air filter. I'm going to check the coolant.
Yeah.
I'm going to start running full synthetic in this.
Okay.
It'll give us a little longer oil change intervals.
So we got a new battery in it. We're hoping that solves our problem with the starting issue, because last year, every time you had to start it, you had to hook it up to a charger and all that, right? And a heater and blah, blah, blah.
These Mahindras are a great unit.
Yeah.
Only issues we've ever had is minor electrical issues. Minor.
Yeah. I'm coming.
I would on top and
Yeah, eventually, but this is temporary for the winter, because I'm always so scared to cross. Always so scared to cross this thing with the ice on the rocks, because it's very slippery.
We'll see if I can do this on an angle.
I know you guys are like young and agile, but I'm old with a bad back, so.
So put them in on an angle and they don't rock so much.
Perfect. Yeah, there was a couple like that. I didn't have a lot of screws last week, so. Thanks for your help.
I want to make another bridge over there eventually.
We will.
I might as well put another one in this one.
So here we are, somewhere around here. There's got to be a survey stake. We've tried on multiple occasions to find it, and I have no idea. Like, there's a lot of dense forest here. Aaron was going to try and pace out 453 feet, but as to the exact spot will be pretty difficult. So this is a tree that fell a long time ago. I don't know how long ago, but it's pretty big. And I have a feeling our marker's under there somewhere, like under the debris somewhere. And that's why we can't find it. Jason's like hell-bent on finding this marker. I don't think we're ever going to find it. I don't know. What do you guys think? So here it is. This is the tree I was just showing you. There's Jason for reference size. But it's got to be in here somewhere. So I have an app, guys. It's called GeoTracker. It's pretty cool. That's how we've sort of mapped out our property and know where we are when we're walking, because it's a very long, narrow property. But it's been really handy for that. So that's why I know it's got to be around here somewhere.
My forks are broken. I gotta get my forks fixed. That's why I'm not using my forks.
Here's your, I put a little bit of dish soap in there.
I use washer fluid with dish soap in the winter time.
Yeah.
Doesn't freeze, and I still get the same lubrication and the cleaning power of the dish soap.
Looks pretty good actually, that cut, even with an older blade on. Nice.
Oh, that's right on.
Cool. So we'll save this for a beam for the new cabin we're gonna build out back.
Yep.
Okay. It's not what he wanted, but it worked. He improvised when the forks are on, haven't been fixed yet.
Our base for our new cabin out back where we were tearing the old cabin down. We're going to build this one off to the side so we get everything cleaned up. And this will be like a little guest house eventually, but we're building a bigger cabin. cabin will not be insulated. This is the cabin we're just going to build. We're still going to vapor barrier it, but it will not be insulated. 2x6s here.
Okay. We're gonna do some measurements.
Yeah, we're gonna make 1.5 by 6.
What do we got? Yeah, 9
by 9.
by 9.
Touched it, I didn't do it.
Not sure what happened.
Might have
You
been a nail
just
in the wood or something.
He just started cutting it like normal, and the blade is gone. I saw it. I was standing at the back, and I saw it just kind of pop off and make this boom.
It did a Kaiser Sose.
The good news is, okay, let's look at the positive here.
I need a new belt anyway.
He needed a new blade anyway. Not a new belt. Oh my gosh, if it broke the belt, we're in trouble. Jason thinks maybe there's a nail in the tree. I guess we'll find out. Maybe we shouldn't. It just broke.
It was working so good.
Yeah, we needed to do it. We were going to use it as long as we could anyway, so I guess that was as long as it would take.
Safety switch there. This is your alley right here. You know what you do with safety switches? You zip tie them back so you can run the machine.
No, don't do that. No.
I guess only when you're troubleshooting.
Well, I don't want to do it either. It'd be cool if anybody had any ideas for old broken saw blades, like making refurbished saws or anything like that.
Yeah. If anybody has any good ideas, what would you do with an old saw blade that you can't use in your mill anymore?
And I know they
Comment below and let us know what you would do with them.
I know they can weld them up and do that, but I just want to do something else.
What could we do with this? What could we do with it? Do you need help putting that in?
Not really.
I always thought somebody had to hold the one end.
This the first cut?
No, we've been using it a while.
Do you know where the bearing is for this, sweetheart?
Yeah, it's, I know where it is. Do you need it right now?
No.
Okay.
I just wondered if we knew. Let me push it down here. Right. Can you turn that lever? Loosen it up, that big lever right there. Yeah, loosen it. Maybe it's tight again. Alright, try that. That'll have to do for now. Let me get this back in. I don't know why it does it, but I got to do this a couple times. Not yet either.
Not on?
Not yet.
I remember the last few times it just like all of a sudden you did something and it just
Like that.
popped in.
See
What
that?
was it? What did you just do?
Just loosen it off and tighten it and it went boop.
Okay.
There. That's all
There,
it
it's in. Woohoo. That was way less painful than the last few times. Good
was.
job. So we're going to try the brand new blade that he just installed. Let's hope there's not a nail in there. I don't think there is. He says he inspected and didn't see anything. Fingers crossed.
Good?
Yeah, I think so. Are you?
Don't quit wasting time.
Yeah, you're good. Almost forgot to show you this little guy. The little stinker really shows me what he thinks of my camera. Anyway, thanks everybody for watching. Really appreciate all you new subscribers. We've shown more growth the last day than we ever have. Really appreciate everybody. And keep watching. Things are just going to get better from here. Like Jason's been saying, we're going to build a new cabin out back. Stay tuned for that. Take care all.